Hello, good evening everybody. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible everyone? Okay. ठीक है. So yesterday I told you, yesterday अपन काय केलं होतं? We have done with the uh, okay. Okay. So yesterday I told you to add the create a program for area of circle with or fold types, with or fold types. So let's start with that now. So first of all, I'll tell you the addition wala program with fourth type. Okay. So function type 4. So integer type 4, right? N1, N2 and add. So first of all, printf enter any two numbers, scanf %d ampersand N1 ampersand N2, then call the add data method where you have to pass N1 and N2 public, so not public, sorry. Here I will write integer add data where you can take a and a b. Okay, so your first value, suppose the value is n1 is 10 and n2 is equal to 20. So 10 you can assign to this variable, 20 you can assign to this variable, and then here you can say return a plus b. So the meaning of this, you are going to pass the argument to this function in a and b variable, perform the addition to this place, and you will get your addition into this variable. And now you can print the addition here. Printf addition is %d comma add sorry function type 4 dot c. So in the type 4 we are passing the argument, so then perform the addition, and here we are returning the answer. So this is called as with argument and with return type. याला म्हणतात with argument and with return type. In with argument you are going to pass the value to this parameters here, then perform the addition, return the addition here, you will get that addition here and print the answer here. So with argument and with return type, this is called as with argument and with return type. Okay, so this is called as type 4. This is called as a type 4 with argument and with return type. याला आपण काय म्हणतो, with argument and with return type. So this is called as a with argument and with return type. Okay, so everybody understood this example? Please reply. Everyone understood this? Please reply. Okay, so pass the value to this variable, perform the addition, return the addition, and print the addition here. Okay, so then based on this same concept, I told you to create a area of circle, triangle, rectangle program, right? Okay, save as. Function area 1 dot c. Function area 1 dot c. Okay. Type 1. So float radius. Sorry, first type is without argument and without return type. Just call the function circle area, and here void circle area float r and ca. In the enter radius for a circle, scanf %f comma ampersand r. Okay, then ca equal to 3.14 into r and printf area of circle is %f comma ca. Okay, so you are calling the function here circle area, then you will get the radius here, calculate the area and print the area. So this is called as without argument and without a return type. Without argument and without return type. So here is the blank data. Take the radius, calculate the area, print the area. Then there is no return type. So याला म्हणतो आपण type 1. Type 1 म्हणजे काय? No argument and no return type. Any questions here? Please tell me. That's right, Renuka. Okay, if there is no return type, you can use the void here. If there is no return type, you can use the void here. ठीक है? 2.c. Second one is take the radius in this block, float r, enter radius for a circle, scanf ampersand r, pass that r to this block, float r here. So then 3.14 into r and print the area here. So this is called as with argument. with argument means this is the radius in this block. Pass this r here, you will get the r here, then calculate the area and print here. So this function is not returning anything to the main function. This function does not return any value to the main function. This is called as with argument and without a return type. This is called as with argument. म्हणजे a कडनं b कडे डेटा आला याला म्हणायचं with argument. Then calculate this and print here. There is no return type. There is no return type. So you can pass this r here and then calculate the area here and then print the area here. That's it. Any question here? Understood? Everybody, please tell me. ठीक है? Now save as t.c. So in this example, the third example, C without argument but with return type. So no need to pass any argument here. You can call the function directly. Okay, you don't need to receive any parameter here. Then printf, enter radius for a circle. Then scanf here, %f, ampersand r, calculate the area, return CA, this place here float, then you will get that area here, float CA, equal to this, and finally you can print here area of a circle is %f, comma CA. Okay, you can call the circle area, just go to circle area, then you have a radius here, calculate the area here, okay, then return this CA, return type is here, then you will get the value in this variable and print the area of circle here. Save this, compile the code. Why is this error? Tell me. Circle area. Circle area. Compile this code. Circle area. You can call here. What is the mistake here? Circle area, radius 3.14, CA, float into this, this time there is no void, this time we are going to return the value. Here I am going to return without argument, with return type is. So this is correct. Return this. एक मिनट में चेक कर लो. Yes, मग आता बघा अशा वेळेस काय होतं, that's right. मग here you can just use another approach. हे बघा, you can go for one more approach. Here you just write down float circle area empty. This is function declaration. Function declaration. Function declaration. Function declaration. Then function calling and function definition. Function definition. This is also valid. Then file the code. Run this code. Enter the circle 2.2. Area of circle is 15.19. That's it. Understood? Declare the function, call the function, implement the body of the function, return the area here. You will get the area here and print the area here. That's it. Understood? So this is also a valid approach. F is for a float actually, but here is optional. F stands for a float. So without float also you can run this, but still compile the code and yes, you can run this code here. Radius now 3.3. Yeah, this is called as function declaration, function calling, function definition. Function calling. Everybody understood this? Hello, everyone understood this? Okay. Okay, so this is called as the type 2. Call the function, calculate the area, return the area. टाइप कुठला 3 आहे ना, I guess हा 3 आहे. तुम्हाला अजून एक ऑप्शन आहे. हे तुम्हाला जर असं नसेल लिहायचं तर यू कॅन डायरेक्टली कॉपी दिस कोड and you can just paste here. जर फंक्शन व्हॅल्यू रिटर्न करत असेल तर you can keep this line 3. So this function, because comma operator will work from right to left side, call this, just go to this block, calculate area and you will get the answer here. Okay, this is also valid. Call this, come here. Okay, calculate area and print area. Understood? So instead of this line you can use the function calling here in a printf statement. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारा. If any question, please ask me. काही क्वेश्चन आहे का कोणाला? प्लीज टेल मी. एनी क्वेश्चन? म्हणजे जेव्हा फंक्शन व्हॅल्यू रिटर्न करतो ना त्यावेळेस, जेव्हा फंक्शन व्हॅल्यू रिटर्न करतो त्यावेळेसच तुला करता येईल हे. ठीक आहे. वन सेकंड. हॅलो, आय एम ऑडिबल एव्हरीबडी? ठीक आहे. Okay, so this is called as the with argument and with return type. Okay, so whenever your function is written something, so you can use that in a printf statement. Right, next example of type 4, with argument with return type. With argument and with return type. So with argument means you need to pass one argument here and just give the radius now, comma r, printf radius for a circle, and then you can use scanf %f ampersand r, pass the r here, Hello. Yes, everybody, listen. So, my question's answer 90 to me. What was your question? Tell me. Sai Kulkarni, can you please tell me your question again? कोड कोणत्या फंक्शन मध्ये लिहायचा हे टाईप नुसार ठरलेलं असतं का? कारण तुम्ही कधी कॉल केल्या फंक्शन मध्ये लिहिता कोड कोणत्या फंक्शन मध्ये लिहायचा हे बरं ठीक आहे. आपण टॉपिक काय शिकतोय? फंक्शन. याचा अर्थ काय की आतापर्यंत आपण जो कोड मेन मध्ये करत होतो तोच कोड आपण दुसरीकडे करणार. हे कळलं का? आपण टॉपिक कुठला शिकतोय? तू म्हणे की कधी तुम्ही मेन मध्ये लिहिता, कधी तुम्ही इथे लिहितात. मग आता आपण टॉपिक काय शिकतोय? फंक्शन नावाचा. फंक्शन नावाचा अर्थ काय की जो कोड तुम्ही मेन मध्ये लिहिताय तो कोड मेन मध्ये न लिहिता तो तुम्ही एका दुसऱ्या फंक्शन मध्ये लिहा. म्हणजे तुमचा जो प्रोग्राम आहे त्याला आपण मॉड्युलराइज केलं. याचा अर्थ काय? एका मोठ्या कोडला मी छोट्या छोट्या पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइड केलं. हे कळलं का तुला? So now, when you are dividing your task into the sub parts, so you need to use the functions. Now, the second step, sometime I am passing the value here, मग त्याला आपण म्हणतो argument. Okay, not necessary. Argument is not passed by main always. Maybe your circle area can call another function also. Suppose you have another function void test integer n, and from here you can call the test and pass 10 here. This is also valid. So main is calling circle area is calling test. You can pass the value here. This is also valid. One function can call another function. Okay, Shubham. Now let's come to the Sai's question again. So Sai, as I told you, if you want to implement the function, if you have a very large code, you can break that code into a small part with the help of function. Now, in the function, if you want to pass some value from A place to the B place, you can go in terms of the argument. म्हणजे इन शॉर्ट असं समजून घ्या, मी तुम्हाला बेसिक फंडामेंटल शिकवतोय. आर्ग्युमेंटचा अर्थ काय? ए कडनं बी ला जर काही डेटा द्यायचा असेल तर यू कॅन गो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ग्युमेंट. बी कडनं जर ए ला डेटा रिटर्न घ्यायचा असेल यू कॅन टेक ॲज अ रिटर्न टाईप. मग हे व्हॅरी करतं अँड डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिच्युएशन ऑफ युअर प्रोग्राम इन फ्युचर. तुम्ही फक्त काही हे सी साठी नाही शिकत आहे. You are learning this for maybe C++, you are learning for Java, you are learning for Python also. You are getting my point, everybody. So don't be confused. सर तुम्ही कधी आर्ग्युमेंट पास करताय, कधी नाही करत आहे. मी तुम्हाला कन्फ्युज नाही करत. तुम्हाला मी शिकवतोय आर्ग्युमेंट पास करणं म्हणजे काय, रिटर्न करणं म्हणजे काय. हे समजलं का सगळ्यांना? जर उद्या तुम्हाला सांगितलं ए कडनं बी ला आर्ग्युमेंट पास करा, सगळ्यांना जमेल की नाही? बी कडनं ए ला डेटा रिटर्न करा, हे कळेल की नाही? प्लीज रिप्लाय. Okay, so I am telling you just a concept. What is the meaning of the argument? What is the meaning of the return type? Now, when you should pass the argument, that is depends on the situation. When you should pass the argument, that is depends on the situation. Okay, at least right now, just remember what is the argument, what is the return type. That's it. Right now, just remember what is the argument, what is the return type. That's it. Clear? Okay, so these are the 4 types of functions I told you here. Okay, that is depends on the editor, compiler. It is not like की तुम्हाला टाइप नुसार प्लेस चेंज करायची आहे. The standard way is this one. First declare the function, call the function and implement the code. This is the standard way normally. इथे डिक्लेअर करा, मग कॉल करा आणि मग इम्प्लिमेंट करा. हा फॉर्मॅट फिक्स ठेवला तरी चालेल. पण तुम्हाला जर कन्फ्युजन नको असेल, यू कॅन जस्ट रिमूव्ह दिस कोड. एक मिनिट, नॉट दिस वन. You can just every time you can keep this format with you. If you have any confusion, just use this format. आता याच्यात कधी चेंज नाही होणार. कळलं का सही? हा फॉर्मॅट ठेवला ना कायम तरी चालेल. कुठल्या पण टाईपला तू हा फॉर्मॅट यूज कर. इथे कोड लिहायचा, इथे कॉल करायचं. कारण की सी प्रोग्रामिंग इज टॉप टू बॉटम अप्रोच. इन द टॉप टू बॉटम अप्रोच पहिले तो याला कंपाईल करून घेतो आणि मग तो याला कॉल करतो. कारण की मागच्या एका टाईप मध्ये काय झालं की इथे त्याला कोडच नाही मिळाला. डायरेक्ट कॉल केला त्याला कळलंच नाही व्हॉट इज सर्कल एरिया. What is circle area? Sometimes this happens because of the editor. But you can use this standard. You can just use the code here and you can call here. याच्यात काहीच कन्फ्युजन नाही. Every time you can use this code. म्हणजे आधी कोड लिहा आणि मग तुमचं हे चारही टाईपला केलं तरी चालेल. सगळ्यांना कळलं का? Okay, ठीक आहे. So this is what this is the you have to implement all the four types. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. That's it. Just a minute. Yes, what is the 2 second radius accept करायची का? दोनदा रेडियस एक्सेप्ट करायची का? नाही नाही ते दॅट इज माय मिस्टेक ऍक्च्युली. टाइप 4 करतो ना आपण. फ्लोट आर. दॅट्स इट. compile the code. Okay, just don't declare the R here. So you can pass the radius here. You go to this function, calculate the area, return the area, and you can print that area here. That's it. $15.19. आता आपण काय केलं, इथे रेडियस घेतलंय, हे रेडियस इथे पास केलं, इथे वर गेला, इकडे याने एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट केला, रिटर्न दॅट एरिया and you can print that area here. That's it. Okay, print that area here. That's it. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे इथे रेडियस ऍक्सेप्ट केली, आपण रेडियस इथे पास केली, ही रेडियस इथे गेली, याने एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट केला, रिटर्न दॅट एरिया अँड यू कॅन प्रिंट दिस एरिया हियर. दॅट्स इट. समजलं का? सगळ्यांना कळलं इथपर्यंत? ठीक आहे, माझं एक काम करा तुम्ही, तुम्हाला काय करायचं आज बघा, इथे आपण एक काम करू, मेनू डॉट सी function dot c, then you can do one thing here today. This is circle area. Similarly, float triangle area and some code. Similarly, float rectangle area and here is the code, and from here, okay, just enter one for area of a circle slash n, two for area of a triangle slash n, three for area of a rectangle. Okay, so here is the printer. Enter your choice. Scan it. %d $ch. So one for area of circle, two for area of triangle, three for area of rectangle. Enter your choice, and then you can use switch case here. Pass the choice here. If case 1 is there, then is the this one is the case 1, case 2, then here accept the base and height and and all the area of a triangle. Similarly, case 3 for rectangle and break. Question समजला का सगळ्यांना काय करायचं ते? With argument, with return type. Everybody understood the question? Use the do here. And after this, in that, do you want to continue? Press 1. Scanner. %B ampersand CH. Okay, that's it. Enter. Thank you. Okay, if you want to continue, press 1 like this. So you have to complete this program today, everybody. You have to complete this program. 1 for circle, 2 for triangle, 3 for rectangle. With argument, with written type, using type 4. जमेल की नहीं सगळ्यांना? Please reply. ठीक आहे? तर मग हा कोड तुम्ही करायचा सगळ्यांनी. Just complete this program using all the type 4 terms, like just using type 4. So enter your choice, access radius, call the circle, for 2 call triangle, for this call rectangle. That's it. So this is the assignment for the day. Also, if possible, then tomorrow you can plan to complete 1 for factor, 2 for factorial, 3 for a prime number, 4 for Fibonacci series, 5 for the power. If possible, try to complete this program. Okay, at least 5 functions. Okay, at least how many functions? 5 functions. So these are the assignments for you. The first assignment is this one, and the second assignment is this one: factor, factorial, prime number, Fibonacci series, and a power. That's it. Okay. So guys, if I forgot to answer if any of the questions, so please repeat your question again, because maybe sometime it skipped. Okay. So tell me if you have any questions, any doubt. So tell me if you have any questions here, you can retype the questions again. Okay, if any question is there, please tell me. Okay, chalo then we'll connect. Okay, today I'll stop here. Please complete these 2 assignments. Complete this assignment आणि याचा आउटपुट प्रत्येकाने पाठवा. Factor, factorial आणि area of circle, triangle, rectangle. Okay. चलो I'll stop here. We'll continue in the next lecture. उद्या असेल तर सांगेल मी, नाही तर मग मंडेला तर आहेच इव्हिनिंगला. ठीक आहे. Okay. Yeah, चलो then bye.